In an inspiring tale of selfless community spirit, a group of young men from Gunpur village under Mohanga block in Cuttack district have created a beautiful children's park entirely on their own, without any help from the government. With a dream to give village children a safe and joyful place to play, the youths pulled over rupees 6 lakh from their own pockets and built a well-equipped park right in the heart of the village. Despite no support from leaders or officials, the determination never wavered. Swings, slides, flowering plants, concrete benches, and well-paved walkways now stand as proof of what collective will can achieve. In a simple ceremony, an elderly resident cut the ribbon, marking the beginning of many joyful memories. This park is now not just a space to play, but a symbol of unity, hope, and grassroots change.
छुट्टी परे परे कि स्कूल छुट्टी थिबारे आमे खेली पारि नथलु तेनु हम गां लोक हम पई केते खुशी रे माने शिशु उद्यान करजंदी तेनु हमें केते मजा रे एठी खेलुचु हमकु बढ़िया बहुत भल लागुची
जने केही मुरबी रहिले बा स्कूल टीचर केही रहिले मध्य पिला माने एठी निर्द्वंद्व खेली पारिबे एवं तांकर मजा से नै पारिबे बहुत खुशी मु कारण एपरि सुविधा अन्य कोठी नाही जोटा कि मो पिला माने एठी हम गां रे करि परिछन।